You keep waiting for someone to save you, but no one's coming, not in this world. You want to be rescued, save yourself. You want strength, earn it. Every scar, every failure, every sleepless night, that's the price you pay to become your own hero. Stop waiting for help, stop begging for a handout. The world doesn't owe you a savior, it only gives power to those who take it. You've got everything you need, pain, struggle, purpose, now use it. Heroes aren't born, they're built in silence, through blood, through grit, through relentless effort. This is your story, so rise, fight for it, bleed for it. Become the person you keep waiting for, because no one's coming to save you. It's always been on you. Subscribe if you're done waiting. Comment one word that defines you. Unbroken, focused, or relentless. Subscribe and start becoming your own hero.